Hello and welcome to a new Moai Devlog. Today has been raining a lot. I got inspired by that and I decided to integrate into the game a new system, a rain generator. So let's jump into Unity and get straight to it.
You made it this far. Thank you so much for watching the video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked it, remember to subscribe to be kept up to date with all our new devlogs and projects. And if you feel so inclined to support us and the game in Patreon, you can click the link in the description. My name is Antonio Mavs, and you can follow me on all sorts of social media there like that. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day or evening, whatever time it is.